रत्नैः कल्पितमासनं हिमजलैः स्नानं च दिव्याम्बरम्।
Thousands of years ago, the rishis, they went in deep meditation and they heard, and what they heard, they started speaking, and that became the Vedas. It doesn't belong to just one religion, one sect, no. It's a holistic science of life. So belongs to the whole world, to people of all continents.
शाकानां यतं जलं रुचिकरं कर्पूरखण्डोज्ज्वलम् ताम्बूलं मनसा मया विरचितं भक्त्या प्रभो स्वीकुरु।